guys, welcome to Tech Truth. Today I will be unboxing the Tune 220 TWS earphones from JBL. So these seem to come with buttons, physical buttons. There's no touch control on these earphones. There's play, pause and answering/rejecting calls. And on the left earbud you can skip and go back to during songs or videos. And it is voice assistant supported. So you can launch your Google Assist or Siri from these. These seem to come with the charging case, very small as you can see. The earbuds. Now note, these have no interchangeable ear tips. And also the charging cable here. Now one thing I did notice about this charging cable is that it has you can charge it within two sides. There's no blocker. It also comes with the instructions in a cool envelope. So let's move those aside. Now these earphones work with a charging indicator right there. When all three are full, it means the case is fully charged. And they also have lights right there that blink to tell you whether it's connected or charging. Now time for me to try them on. So I have tried these on, and these seem to have very good audio and a lot of bass for their size, and to be considered that these have no interchangeable earbuds. You can hear your surroundings, unfortunately, but that's the consequence of that. The package claims that these can last 3 hours with one charge, and the case can last 16 hours. I didn't find that to be that true, as mine only lasted 2 hours long. These cost around €100. Yes, you kind of feel like they are gonna fall off though, but they actually don't go anywhere, so that's okay. So I would recommend these to people who want to hear their surroundings.